Saving money for a new phone. Jake wants a new phone. His old phone is slow and the battery dies quickly. He uses it every day, so a good phone is important for him. Jake knows that a good phone is expensive. He doesn't want to ask his parents for money. He decides to save money by himself. Jake starts saving money in January. He works on weekends at a small cafe. Every week, he puts some money into his savings jar. Sometimes he wants to spend the money on snacks or games. But he remembers his goal and says, no, he is proud of himself. Jake also helps his neighbors with small jobs. He walks dogs, waters plants, and carries groceries. They give him a little money for his help. By the end of spring, Jake has saved a lot. But he still needs more. He continues to work and save. Jake makes a plan. He writes how much more money he needs. He counts how many weekends he has until summer. He tells himself, if I save this much each weekend, I will have saved enough by July. He works hard and sticks to the plan. It is not easy, but he is determined. Finally, summer arrives. Jake opens his savings jar and counts the money. He smiles. By July, Jake will have saved enough money to buy his new phone. He goes to the store and chooses the one he wants. He is very happy. Jake feels proud. He worked hard and reached his goal. His new phone is not just a gift, it's a reward for his effort. Grammar explanation, future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to talk about an action that will be completed before a certain time in the future. Form, subject plus will have plus past participle. Examples from the story. By July, Jake will have saved enough money. By the end of spring, he will have collected most of the amount. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect tense. Answers. Exercise 2. Choose the correct option. Answers. Exercise 3. Write your own sentence using the future perfect tense. In this lesson, we learned how to use the future perfect tense to talk about actions that will be completed before a certain time in the future. We read about Jake, who worked hard and saved money for a new phone. Remember, the structure is, will have plus past participle. Practice using this tense to talk about your future goals. See you in the next lesson.